Just a quick video to show the flooding in the backyard. The drains get covered up, but it's a couple feet away from the foundation.
Cool.